Hey friends, if you encounter this issue with Skype audio or microphone not working on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for Skype in the Windows search bar and open the Skype application. First of all, click on these three dots here, select settings, go to audio and video, scroll down a little. You'll find the Microsoft option here. When you click on it, it needs a while to acknowledge your click, and then select the right microphone. Okay, why? Because the microphone set for Skype, the default microphone set for Skype is your laptop's microphone, which you know is not the best one. So I usually select an external microphone if I'm using an external microphone. Make sure that this microphone is correct. The next solution is to give permissions. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select microphone. Okay, make sure that microphone access is on and it is also on for Skype so that it has access to the microphone. The next solution is to restart the Windows audio service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services menu. Scroll down to the Windows audio service. Right click on it and then update the audio drivers. Okay, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list for audio outputs and inputs. Right click and update each and every driver, all of them. Okay, even if you're not using them, update all of them because they are interlinked, the input and output ones. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.